to the Cherly Podcast episode today. Today we'll be discussing a very important topic. The topic is the climate crisis. Climate change is one of the most pressing issues facing our planet today. Rising global temperature, extreme weather patterns, and rising sea levels are just some of the consequences of the climate crisis. The impact of climate change are already being felt, from more frequently natural disasters to the extinction of plant and animal species. If not addressed seriously, the climate crisis can threaten the survival of humanity and planet Earth. Let's delve deeper into the impact of climate change. Our guest today is Naira, an expert in the field of environmental science. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you for having me, Cherly.
Naira, could you elaborate on the impact of climate change?
Certainly, the impact of climate change can be felt directly and indirectly. Some examples of direct impacts include natural disasters such as floods, drought, and wildfires that are happening more frequently. Rising sea levels also threaten coastal areas and small islands.
Yes, that's terrifying. And what about the indirect impacts?
Indirect impacts of climate change can include crop failures due to changing weather patterns, scarcity of clean water, and the spread of infectious diseases. Climate change can also lead to mass migration due to natural disaster and environmental changes.
Hearing those impacts, we are all certainly concerned. So what can we do to address the climate crisis?
There are many things we can do both on individual and collective level. On an individual level, we can start by reducing greenhouse gas emissions. This can be done by using public transportation, switching to renewable energy, and reducing consumption of unnecessary goods.
Absolutely. What else can we do?
We can also recycle waste, reduce plastic use, and plant trees. Additionally, it's important to support government policies and companies that focus on emission reductions and environmental conservation.
It's crucial to unite and take action together. Okay, Naira, thank you so much for this very important information.
Thank you for having me share.
Listener, the climate crisis is a real problem that we must address together. With awareness and concrete action, we can reduce the impact of climate change and build a more sustainable future. See you on the next podcast. Bye!